Hey everybody, welcome back to the Dog channel. So today we've got on my Dodge Ram 1500 '09 the dreaded P0456 error code. So I watched a few videos and it seems to be a conclusion that these two bad boys are more than likely the culprit. The ESIM valve and your purge solenoid. Now, I don't know if it makes a difference that I live up in Canada, but some of the videos I watched, the guys were saying, oh yeah, these are, this is like, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 40 bucks, something like that. Yeah, these two pieces were almost $200. So, kind of BS in my books, but oh well. I want this thing fixed, and I'm not buying cheap aftermarket Lordco or Napa parts. So, let's get after it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the positive battery cable. Probably disconnect the negative one too, just to get it out of the way of the valve. Uh, 10 mil, is that what we want? Yeah, that's what we want. Alright. Make sure it's loosened. Loosey-goosey. Alright. I don't think I did these up tight enough. Maybe not. I don't know. There we go. There we go. Alright. It's going to be real fun and games getting the one under the truck. Not overly looking forward to that. I think this is kind of causing some of our in the way issues here. Let me see if I can get that off. It's kind of like a little Christmas tree fastener there. See if I can pluck it off. Maybe it's easier to... can you guys see that at all? Right where the end of my wrench is pointing there. Down there. Yeah. Better locale. There we go. A lot of mucking around when you're making a video. Making sure the angles are right. No wonder everybody says making a video adds half an hour to whatever you're doing. There we go. There we go. Alright. See if I can get a bungee cord to strap that back with. So I can hold the cable back a bit. cord's very handy. Alright, now I need to have to look at how you get that thing off again. Rewatch the video or something. Oops, sorry guys. Let me see if I can move you a bit here. Something about this red tab here, you gotta pluck it out or something. Pluck it in or out, I don't know. Let me get a pick. Okay, the video I watched says this little tab goes to the right. Well, on mine it goes to the left. Press down on the tab, and that should get it off there. As long as you got the red thing out far enough, which I don't know if I do. So I'm going to pluck it out a little bit more. Press this thing down. Or shit. There's dirt in it or something, I don't know. Looks like there's dirt in it. Oh, there we go. Okay, holy shit, got it. Okay, the video says to depress the little clamp and slide it towards you. I think on mine I depressed the little clamp and slide it away from me. Oh, this is not easy, dudes. Especially leaning in this angle. A little bit of prying gets her done. I really do have to say that the whole ordeal wasn't so bad. The worst part was just standing on a little step stool and leaning over the hood. It's really hard on your gut. You need like a pillow or a blanket to kind of cushion you a little bit, because by the time I was done, my gut muscles were aching. There we go. Stop for a drink of water. It's pretty warm. It's like 30 degrees today. Lucky I got a little bit of shade to park in. Okay, so according to Buddy, we need a lot more slack than I do. Ah, there we go. Okay. Got that one. This one here, I can lift this sort of out. Okay, so like Buddy said, let me bring you in for this. There's a little tab that you just kind of push and move over to the side. and it's got to be outside of the plastic. Might be a little hard to explain, but I'll do my best. Where is it? Here it is. And it's this one right here. Can you see anything? See that little tab right there? And you just flip it up and pull on it like that. See how it's kind of pulled out? And that releases it from the grip of the little notch on your purge valve. You gotta keep it pointed up. Okay, you gotta keep it pointed up like that. Okay. Oh, that was a bugger. You know, it's a bugger getting it because the angles are the shits to work at. And need my readers. Alright. Make sure it is on. And it's on. Okay. And it goes. Oh, shit. Son of a biatch. Ah, for crying out loud. I think that's got it. And then, what do we do now? We plug it back in. Except we gotta turn it around. Put a little WD on it. How's the shit's going where I don't want it? Okay. I can get a little bit of a dump. Okay guys, we're done that part. I sprayed a little deoxit on it to make sure the connection's good. Oh, leaning over the truck gives you a sore gut. But we got her. Yeah, we got her. Okay. Here's the deoxit D5, and there's the new device down there. Okay guys, the ESIM valve and the purge valve are installed. I detailed a little bit of the purge valve part. I didn't do very much of the ESIM part. Mine on an '09 Ram 1500 is it's on top of the tank, kind of in the middle of the tank, toward the passenger side. But it is definitely on top of the tank. There is a big metal shield that is in the way, and you're going to wrench the living hell out of your wrist and hand getting it off. But just keep at it, you'll get it. There's only a vent tube and a little electrical connection for it, and that's all there is. There's no nuts, bolts, or anything holding it on. So once you push the little tab in and twist it, which is a bugger to do because it's just very hard to get your hand in there. You can only do it one-handed unless you have a hoist or something. I don't. I'm just, Saturday mechanic boy on the ground, which is not easy when you're in your 50s anymore to be working at ground level under a vehicle. It sucks. But I got it. Here they both are. Here's my old purge valve solenoid and my old ESIM, or sometimes people call it evaporative leak detector. So I don't know how old they are. It could be as old as the vehicle, which is about 13 years old now, 12, 13 years old. So this one still rattles fine, but I bought both, so I put the new one on. I thought, well, I'm not screwing around, I'm just going to put it on. My next job now, which I've owned the truck about 2.5 years, 2 years, something like that. I want to see if I can get, that's better. I want to see if I can get the spare tire down, because you never know, might need it one day, and I'm kind of in truck repair mode right now, so let's see what we can do with that. There she is. I'm betting this thing hasn't been down in about 10 years. That's pretty rusty and crusty looking. We'll see what we can do. I don't know. There's a lot of wires here that seem to lead to nowhere. Yeah, I don't know. Oh well. I don't know how well you can see, guys, but we hit a snag. We got the jack, but no tools. I wonder what the guy did with them.